So I'm sorry for interruption. There was little interruption because of some issue. So again, I'm back to complete the next part of this video. So basically, let's again get back to this. So let's say that you click on this column called B, okay, and after that you right click, and as you right click, you get a lot of options here: insert and delete. So let's say that you click on insert. So as you click on insert, you would see what did happen. You saw, so it actually created a new column in the left side. So let's say there is a column D and there is a Delhi here. So again, what you will do, you will right click here, and after that you will click on insert. Okay, so as you click on the insert, you see that it created a new column that is in the left side. Okay, and now after that, let's see how can we delete the column. So for that, again, let's say we want to delete the column D. So again, we will do right click here. We will right click, and after that we will click on delete options, right? So see, this is already deleted. Let's say that you want to delete the B column. So again, for that you will click on, like, you will do right click here. You will click on right click, okay, and after that you select delete, and then you click on this, and it will again delete that column, right? And after that, let's learn how to resize the column. So let's say this column name is too big. Okay, this column name is too big. All right, this column. So let's say that you want to resize this column, like you want to, and let's say, okay, after that, let's say that see, this column is too big, but it only has the short data. So the column should be till only here only, but this column is too short, but it has the longer data. So for that, what you will do, you see this line, okay, in the deep column you see this right line. So you will click here two times. Let's say you click two times here. So see, automatically it will adjust the column, like column void. Okay, and let's talk about the column B. So you would see the column B white is too large, okay, but the text here is too small. So we want this to be like we want this column to be less wide, right? So for that, again, we will just click on right side of the right side, like we will just click on the right line of the column B. So we just bring it here, and then we click two times. Remember, we will click two times here. So as we click two times here, you will see that the column B is actually like the column B becomes smaller than what it was earlier, right? And after that, let's see that how can we fill a column. So let's see, it's D here, right? It's Delhi here, but you want to fill Delhi till here. You want to fill Delhi till here. So what you will do? So for that, you will simply click on. See, there is a little point here, like in the cell C1, in the cell C1, in the cell C1 here, here in the corner. See, here in the corner there is a little point. So if you click two times here, so it will fill data till D5, right? So let's see that whether it's happened or not. So see, it happened, right? But let's say you want to do it for Rana. So as you will click here now, it will fill all the, like, it will fill this row completely. So let's say you click here. So see, this filled all the rows till here, okay. But again, if you click here, it will fill till the last rows. Like it has around 10 lakh rows, so it will fill till there. So let's say you click on this two times. So what will happen? Okay, it says accessibility investigate. Okay, so fix the remaining issue in the document to make it accessible to everyone. Or okay, I think we are not able to do this. Okay, and after that there is another way. Let's say you just like you just keep your cursor here in the in the top, like in the right corner, and after that you click here two times, right? Then automatically it fills. But let's say you don't want to click. So first what you will do, you will just drag, and like you will drag it, and after that you will bring it down. Okay, see, it will automatically fill data till here, right? After that, let's learn what is difference between workbook and worksheet. Actually, see, this is just the basic, but we are going to learn deeply about this sort of things in the upcoming lectures. Let me show you one more thing. Okay, so let's say that this column has 5 4 and this column has 3. Okay, so okay, we want to show you something interesting, right? Okay, hell man, why does it happen? Okay, all right, so see here what you will do, you will be like E2 plus F2, right? So it will sum it, right? It will sum it. Let me see, E2 plus E2, no, we did a mistake here. It should be E1. E1 plus F1. So what it should be? It should be 9, right? To hell man. E1 plus F1. So it should be 9, right? So what will happen if you double click here? What will happen? So see, you don't have to write formula for each of the cell. What you will simply do, you will just double click on the corner. Double click on this corner. Also you double click here. Automatically it is coming 6 8 24 4 9 13 4 16. So you don't have to write formula manually for all the cells. If you're writing for one cell and after that you double click on this point, it will automatically write formula for all the cells and also it will give you the values, right? So okay, and after that, let's say that we want to write again. Let's say that we want to write a formula that is G1 minus G1 minus F1. Okay, so G1 minus G1 minus F1, it should be equal to 4, right, for this column, right? Let's say you click here, it is 4, right? But now you want to do same for all the rows, so you don't have to write formulas for all the rows. You simply have to double click on this, like double click continuously one after one. Okay, there should be no any time gap. You do double click to see 5 6 4 4, right? So we learn this. Now let's talk about what is difference between workbook and worksheet, right? So see, workbook is nothing, it is like entire Excel file, and worksheet, like worksheet, it is like workbook. See, workbook can contain many worksheets. If I talk about this now, so let's see, you are saving this file somewhere. Okay, so let's see, you save this file as where to save this? Okay, let's save in this PC. Okay, in the documents. Okay, so what is this? Is this a workbook or sheet? Tell me. Hmm? So this is a workbook. Workbook. Okay. So as you save here, so see, you will get to see here. Mhm. See, this file, this file is the workbook. Okay, and when you click on this file, it contains too many tabs here. Sheet 1 tab, sheet 2 tab, sheet 3 tab, and this tab contains what? This tab contains sheets. Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, right? So basically these are called as the worksheet. So basically a workbook can contain many sheets. So basically when we say books, so what happens, a book has a lot of pages, right? A book has a lot of pages, 10 pages, 12 pages, it has a lot of pages. So basically a workbook contains a lot of worksheets, right? So worksheet is like a pages to the workbook. So this has 3 pages: page 1, page 2, page 3. So when we say page, so it is basically worksheet, right? And if we include all the pages, if we include all the worksheets, then together they are called as workbook, right? So you got the difference between workbook and worksheet, right? But let's say you want to create more worksheet. Then for that, you click on this plus, right? Then new worksheet is created. And if you want to rename, then for that, what you will do, you will bring your cursor to here and you will click on, like you will right click here. And after right click, there would be an option to rename and just rename it as per your preference, right? So now let's talk about another concept, like we will learn about some of the navigation, shortcut navigation, that is again very important. So at a first, let me see which sheet has the data so that it would be better. Yeah, exactly. So see, uh, if you click on the left arrow, it will go to the left cell, right? Again, you click on the left arrow, it will take you to the left cell. Let's say you click on, to hell man, I was speaking wrong. If you click on the right arrow, it will take you to the right cell. So see, we are clicking on the right arrow, it is taking me to the right cell. And if you click on the left arrow, it will take you to the left cell. See, and similarly, if you click on like down arrow, it will take it will take a cell to the down. Okay, it will take you to the down cell. See, like this, right? And again, if you click up arrow, it will take you to the up cell, right? Now after that, let's learn some of the shortcut. So let's say that you click on tab. So when you will click on tab, it will take you to the right, like it will take you to the right cell. See, and what if you click on shift? Okay. See, so do you want to turn on sticky keys? Like strictly key lets you use Shift, Control, Alt, or Windows logo keys by pressing one key at a time. The keyboard shortcut to turn on sticky is to press Shift key 5 times. No. Okay. And after that, what if we, like, let's say right now we are in the cell D, okay, and we simply want to come to the cell D24, like we want to come here. So for that what we actually do, we click on control, and after that like we press control, and then we click on down arrow, right? See, we are here in D24, right? And let's say that you want to come to the cell A23. So for that, again you will click on control. Okay, like you will press the control, and along with that you will click on left arrow. Okay, so you are here, right? And again you want to come to the A1, right? So again you press on control and you click on up arrow, like then you will be on A1, right? And let's say that you want to come to H4, like you want to come to the H1. So again you will click on like you will press A1, and then you will click on right arrow, so you will be in H1, right? But let's say you want to see the last column. What is the last column? Then for that, again you will click on control, and after that you will press on like right arrow. See, the last column name is XFD, but you want to get back to there, or to the D column, to the H column. Maybe I guess it was H column. So for that, again you will press on control, and you will click on a left arrow. Okay. See, again you are in H1, right? And now you want to go to the A1. So again you will press on control and you will click on left arrow, right? So these are some of the like these are some of the things that we need to learn. Okay. And after that, let's talk about what is the difference between .xls and .csv. So basically, see, if I talk about the .xls, so basically it is for Excel, and .csv is basically for comma separated files, right? So see, basically .xls is basically native Excel format, and .csv is basically used for plain text format, right? And the thing is that, let's say that you have a lot of formulas in your, like you have applied a lot of formulas in your sheet. So when you are saving in .xls form, so like the formulas remain, but in case of .csv, it's not like that, right? And but there is actually one shortcut that I wanted to mention. See, whatever changes that you have made to your data, you want to save that, so you simply click on control Control plus S, it will save that. So whatever changes you have made, it is automatically saved, right? So that's all in this video. We'll talk more in in the next video. Till then, explore this in detail, right? Explore this in detail. And this is called the ribbon, right? This is called the ribbon, and each ribbon contains different tabs, and each tab contains different groups. So let's talk about home, home tab. So see, the home tab basically contains things like see, these are formatting. Basically these are formatting. These are from, and this is for uh, currency. So this is conditional formatting, format as a table, cell style. So it is mainly used for conditional formatting and related kind of things. And then we have insert tab in ribbon. So insert tab, here we have table, then pictures to import, then shapes and icons, charts, right? And after that we have draw here, draw. So what do we do in case of draw? Let's say you click here. So basically, in case of draw, you can draw, right? So you should actually try it by yourself, okay? These are not that important, but I would recommend you to try, okay? All right. And after that, we have page layout. So in page layout, you have options to print area, right? To resize, okay? And then to margin, okay? Let's say that you click on this. What does happen? Click here and then margin, okay? And these are bring forward, bring backward, selection panel. We are going to learn about this later, okay? And in the formulas, we have different formulas to apply: logical, text, date and time, lookup and reference, math and trig, more functions. And in data, see, we have options to import data from, get data from text CSV, and this is for web scraping. If you want to scrap, you simply put your link here and it will scrap data for you. All right. And after that, we also have sorting kind of, filter kind of stuff here in data. And then this is the review, and this is the view, and this is for getting support and help, right? So that's all in this video. We'll talk more in the next video. Till then, keep watching. And